Everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how to fix the touch screen not working on iOS 18 update or the latest version of iOS. When you update your phone, your touch screen is not working. What you need to do is you just need to hold your volume button up here, and then instantly press the volume button down and then the power button here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is volume button up, volume button down, and then holding on my power button, and I will keep holding my power button until the screen goes black and an Apple sign shows up. Okay, so that's how it will automatically fix the screen which is not working after the iOS update. So that's how the logo comes back, and it will reset the phone, which will fix the touch screen issues that often come after the screen button not working, and it will take for a while. You just need to wait for a bit, and once it get back, the touch screen will be working again. Okay, so that's how you can do and fix the touch screen.